Hi and welcome to a new video. Have you recently deleted your TikTok account but you wish to log back into it again? In this video, I will show you how you can recover your deleted account on TikTok. Let's go. Before you try to recover your TikTok account, make sure that it hasn't been 30 days yet since you've deleted your account. Unfortunately, if the 30-day grace period has passed, you can no longer recover your TikTok account, because it will have been permanently deleted at that point. Within the 30-day grace period, you can regain access to your account by simply logging into your TikTok user credentials. Click on Log In at the bottom of the page and select Use Phone, Email, Username from the given login options. If you have previously verified your mobile number before deleting your account, you can choose to log in using your phone number. Alternatively, you may also choose to log in using your email or username, whichever you prefer. In my case, I prefer to log in using my username. What happens though if you have forgotten your email or you have lost access to the phone number that has been verified on your account? Fortunately, TikTok can still allow you to recover your accounts even without your email or phone number. If you want to know how this works, check out my video linked in the tag at the top right corner, or find the link in the description below. Upon providing your user credentials, TikTok will automatically detect that your account is under deactivation. Click on the Reactivate button to start the recovery of your account. The process may take a few minutes, so wait for a moment while TikTok recovers your account. After a while, you can try if it works by closing the app and reopen it. You should now be logged into your account automatically, just like in my case here. Then you can use your account again to browse and post on TikTok. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.